Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well today. Lost a little bit of footage on this build, so I'm just trying out here right now. I want to do a quick little vid and do some recap for you. So this is the Holzfforma G372XP. See if I can do this without knocking anything down, messing you guys up. Right there. It's got a 24-inch bar on it right now. This is after I've already run the saw, but when this saw came to me, it was a return saw. I talk about it earlier in the video. It had some issues. One of the issues, and I'll show a picture of it, probably like right in here somewhere. The piston had a gouge down the front of it. It was very mild, but it was there, and I don't like that. So I took care of that. I was able to salvage that, which is a good thing. Did some other work, and I did not want to exclude. This is why I want to do this video. I did not want to cut this out, because I don't have secrets. I share everything I do on these saws with everybody. I don't have this special number that I hold to. No, I did no port timing on this saw. None. I never even put a timing wheel on it. Never degreed. Nothing. I didn't even check it. So what I did is the skirt, the cylinder skirt. You guys know the deal. I take these flush. I flush them off with the base, and then I take the bridge, and I favor the primary transfer with that bridge. I taper it a little bit that way. I do clean both sides up just a little bit, and then I taper the when I take the skirt down, I do put a little bevel on that. I'll bevel that right there, kind of just so that all the air flows the way it should. That's what I do with these things. So I did that, and then this is a brand new cylinder, by the way. This is not the one in there, you know that. This is just, like I said, I lost some footage. So, and then up here on the intake, I put my Mickey Mouse ears, I call them, and then on the inside of the intake, right here, I will just I'll kind of cut down a little bit in the center right here, and feather it out. You know, taper it off, and it'll have a nice little, so basically what I do is, looking at it the way you are, it'll be like a little ski jump, like a little ramp going up, but essentially when the saw's in operation, the air will come down, it'll hit that tab, and it'll force it down into the crankcase. That is not my design. That is something that that I saw Harvey, the Iron Horse, I saw him talking about that, and I actually tried it, and I had good results, so I started doing it. And that was, I don't even remember how long ago that was. That was a long time ago, but it was something that I thought was a really good idea, and I tried it, and it worked. So that's why I do that on my builds for these 372s. So essentially, that's it. I did not even polish the exhaust on this saw. All I did was cleaned it up because something had to mark that piston. So I went in there and I chamfered the edges of all the ports. I chamfered all the edges on every port in there. Transfers, exhaust, intake, everything. I cleaned it up. I think I lightly honed it. Don't go crazy honing, guys. Don't go crazy honing cylinders. Lightly hone it, just to clean up anything that you may not have already got, or any edges. That's it. Lightly hone it. So I did lightly hone when I was done, as I always do. I did not cut the squish band in this cylinder. I did not touch the squish band in this cylinder. What I did do is I did cut the base. I cut the base of the cylinder just a little bit to get me down. I'm sitting right around 19 thou on squish. That's all I did. Guys, I did not do any upper transfer work. I did not put a timing wheel on it. I did none of that. I advanced the ignition timing, and I put a little muffler mod on it. This is not a full muffler mod like I normally do. This is just a little guy. And it's, for this saw, this is ample enough. I don't need a real big one. I'm not doing anything crazy on this saw. This saw is not a full port job at all. Like I said, so we did that, and then we did the tank. We replaced the tank. I have a video of that, and I'm rambling on about that. So that's what we got. But I wanted to show you guys kind of what I did on this, because the pictures and videos that I had, well, the pictures I had are kind of, I didn't show it good enough. And the video I had of me, you know, doing all this, saying I did this, I did this, I did this. Evidently you have to push record, or not double, not stutter step when you push record. I don't know what I did. I pushed something, I thought I had it on the camera, and it didn't, and I never checked it like an idiot. So total newbie mistake there. It's funny. Laugh at me. It's good. I don't mind. That's all I did. So we've got a total save here, and a friend of mine has expressed a lot of interest in this saw, so I'm going to drop it off to him probably tomorrow. Today's Sunday. I'm going to drop this saw off to him on Monday, and maybe it may not be till next weekend till he gets a chance to cut with it, but he wants to throw this thing in some wood. He heats with wood like I do, so he's not a professional. Again, I don't recommend these saws for professional use, but man, he needs a bigger saw, a little bit bigger saw. He can put a 28 on this with no problem. It'd definitely be a good tool to add to his toolbox for heating with wood. So he's gonna probably put it to the wood next weekend, and we'll see what he thinks. If he wants it, he can, he'll keep it in his toolbox there. So that's where we're at. Enjoy the video, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, please. And always remember, be kind, saw safe, and enjoy life. Don't know if you can see that or not, but right there, that probably happened in shipping is my guess. So no big deal. This is now some spare parts, and I have another. This was a return. This is a Neotech. So I'm going to take the handle and the tank. It's all one rear handle tank. I'm going to take it off of here. I'm going to put it on here. Done. Alright, so there's the throttle. I don't know, can you guys see this? So I'll just take this, and pull that guy out, and look at this. There we are. That quick. Let's see what we got. Let's just see what we got, shall we? I want to do this where you guys can see me on here, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to, and the reason is because I have to alright, there's them. Now, really don't want to. Come on. Come on. There we go. I knew we'd get her. Now, let's push this guy. Oh, come on. Hold still. I hate that when you're trying to push it through and it keeps on moving on you. Alright, there's that. Now, okay. Now, I have to get going. So there's a rubber piece right over here. Right here, that it does bind up on. I can take it out if I have to. I'd rather not. I think if I can get underneath of it, I think I can push it right in. There we are. That's what I was talking about. Ooh, not that bad. Really not that bad at all. Do have to get that guy done. good? It's cold out, so I'm not gonna gas on it too hard, not yet.